This car comes with advanced lane assist and the smart cruise control that speeds up and slows down as the vehicles in front of you do. Just to give you a small demonstration, we're coming up to a slight curve in the road over here, and I'm going to take my hands off the wheel and watch how it just takes control, and it does it all on its own. My feet are not on the pedals, and over here it's going to do a slight turn to the right. Look at that, that's amazing. I mean, the quality on this car is just phenomenal. It's so comfortable and so luxurious. Alright, it's warning me to put my hands back on the wheel, so let's go ahead and do that. The equipment it comes with is top of the range. This one, it's a Takumi model, so it comes with absolutely everything. It's a fully loaded car. Adaptive cruise control is on. Set the speed at 70 miles per hour because we're in the UK. It's just a great drive. It's so relaxing. It's just so relaxing in here. Obviously you got automatic climate control and sat nav and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's got heated seats and heated steering wheel. It's got everything. It's got everything you want. Why would somebody get something else? And you know what the best part is? It's a Lexus, so it's reliable, and you know nothing is going to go wrong on this. I love this car. I just love it. It's so quiet and smooth, comfortable, relaxed. I can drive this all day. You see, as we come up to this truck here, I'm not pressing the pedals, but the car is slowing down. We're currently at 65, 64, and I'll take my hands off the wheel so that you can also see the active steering, automatic steering over here as it turns into the bend. As we were saying, this model also comes with a very large double sunroof, as you can see. Frameless mirror. It's got everything, this car, everything you need. It's a Lexus. You got your memory seats over there. Oh, is this good? Oh, is this good? It's actually forcing my hand to turn the wheel here. That is phenomenal. Look at that. I'll take my hands off the wheel and it turns. And being this is the Takumi model, the cruise control and the smart cruise control, the active cruise control, doesn't start at 19 miles an hour like other vehicles, like other Lexuses. This starts at 0, so you can actually set it at a speed, and in city driving you can use it, which is such a great feature. It's basically autonomous driving. I mean, you got to put your hands on the wheel, you got to be careful it won't check everything, and it won't, you know, it's at the end of the day, it's not there yet, the technology, but it's pretty darn good.